talk about life and all that stuff. You know what I mean? Life is crazy, man. Thank you guys for the birthday wishes, by the way, man. Life is a crazy thing. I gotta tell y'all, man, life is freaking crazy, bro. Right? Like, we got the power. Like, I want to talk to you guys about something real quick, and I want to put this in a perspective for y'all, right? Just in case you may not have noticed this, right? So I do a lot of shit, right? You guys know I'm like, people always tell me like, oh, Emery, you're such a talented dude and all this shit. In reality, I'm really just doing the stuff that I've always done. Like, I'm just a bunch of people compiled into one guy, right? But bro, we all gonna die someday, right? Like, we can establish that, right? Like, we ain't gonna live forever. I don't want my life to be wasted. And what I mean by that is, I work a job, right, where I can get killed. I'm a police officer. Every day, I was just telling my family out there, every single day I step out of my front door, I could not come back home. I could be killed. You know what I mean? Seriously injured or killed, right? This is my reality. Every day I walk out that door. That's the reason why I have a gun, right? Like, it's pretty dangerous that they're just gonna hand you a gun to walk around with on your hip. If I die for any reason, right? Like, it's, God forbid, right? But it's reality. It could happen. I don't want to be the person that doesn't leave anything behind here. You know what I mean? Like, as sad as it is to admit, if one of my fellow officers passes away for whatever reason, right? They're going to hang up a picture of him in the department and say, oh, he was so brave and all this stuff, right? He was so brave and he was so selfless to put his life on the line and everything like that. And honestly, guys, outside of a couple of weeks, that's kind of where it ends in a way. Like, every year there's like a memorial for him or whatever, but like, that guy gets 1 or 2 days a year, He gave his life for a job, right? I don't want to be the guy to not leave anything behind. You know what I'm saying? Like, I know that with just the work that I've done so far, I'm leaving my mark on the world, Whether that's through music. I know a lot of people don't listen to my music, whatever. They don't have to. I do it for me. I'm leaving stuff behind. I'm leaving pieces of myself behind. So my daughter one day can be like, wow, my dad did a lot of random shit. Like, he touched a lot of people. He had a lot of people who looked up to him or supported him or whatever. Million people on TikTok, whatever. I got you guys to support, people on Twitter, Instagram, whatever. I got 25K on there. People, I have been in people's lives. Like, people see me, you know what I'm saying? And I don't want to ever be the person that leaves here and just didn't accomplish what he could accomplish, right? My music will always be out there in the world, These streams, these videos you guys are watching. One day someone's going to be watching this, and 100 years from now, when none of us are here anymore, and be like, yo, this EmeryReigns guy was kind of dope. Like, he was at the beginning when the whole streaming thing first happened. It's going to be 10 times big as it is right now, right? That's insane to think about, that one day some little kid is going to probably be watching my content somehow. This shit's forever. This shit that we do right now, guys, is forever. That's what I'm trying to tell you guys. This shit is forever. What we do now with the way technology is, guys, everything that we do, this is forever. We have the ability to leave a mark on this fucking place. So whether that be through my music, even if 20 people hear it, it will always be here, even when I'm not. My daughter will be able to always see that. My daughter will always be able to watch these videos, right? My daughter will always be able to look at all the content that I've made. Like, wow, my dad really did a lot of shit. Like, all the flipping and the making vlogs and, being a cop and being a dad and, going to the gym every day. I've really left my fucking mark on this place, man. You know what I'm saying? And dude, I'm so grateful for that, man. My mom is gone. This is the first year I didn't have my mom here, man, and it's fucking hard, bro. It's hard. My whole family's out in the living room right now waiting for me to finish the stream. It's hard, bro, and I have my mom here, bro. It's fucking hard, bro. It really is, man. It's not easy, guys. Losing your mom is like, when somebody says that shit, and I'm sorry for anybody in the chat who has also lost their parents. Somebody says like, man, I just lost my mom, bro. I cannot imagine like what they're going through, bro. Before I lost my mom, right? Like, it's like, oh, my mom will never die. My mom lives forever. Like losing my mom really fucking is hard, guys. It's hard for me, man. Not getting all sentimental and shit, but yeah, it's hard for me, bro, not having my mom here anymore, man. It's fucking killing me, bro. It's killing me. We're getting through it, though, man. We're still here for another year, guys. You know what I'm saying? We're still here. And we're still making this content, and we're still touching people. And I hope to God, man, one day I accomplish something big so that my community can be like, yo, I was with this guy when he was talking about, like, I have an epiphany, bro. I swear, I turned 28 today, and I was like, bro, I'm gonna touch this fuck. It's 11:55. I got 5 minutes left to do this. One day I'm gonna touch so many people, man, in any whatever way that is, right? Like, fucking fitness, whatever it is. Like, you know, people have told me, like, oh, Emery, you've changed my life. I'm like, me? I'm just some random fucking guy who does TikTok videos and is a cop and goes to the gym. Like, how did I change your life? How did I save your life? Like, people, I know it doesn't, you guys might not believe this shit, but people have really said this shit to me in real life. Like, so I'm doing something right. You know what I'm saying? I'm fucking, goddamn it, I'm doing something right, bro. You know, that's why I fucking grind the way that I do, bro. That's why I fucking grind the way that I do, bro. That's why I grind the way that I fucking do. That's why I do this shit that I do, bro. That's why yo, Looney, thanks for the raid, bro. You're missing a great conversation right now. That's why I fucking go hard like I do, bro. That's why I play these fucking fighting games still, even though I really don't need to play these shits. I get on this bitch and I play the best I fucking can, bro. I'm sweating every fucking time I touch this controller, bro. Every time I got that bitch in my hand, I'm sweating. I'm back. That shit. I'm trying to beat the fuck out of people in these fighting games. And I be getting my ass kicked, but I still be busting motherfuckers' ass. You know what I'm saying? I put my all into this fighting game shit. Whatever that is to me, right? You know what I'm saying? If I get an hour, I'm gonna fucking get on here and I'm gonna make the best of that hour. I'm gonna get as many matches as I can. I'm gonna bust as much ass as I can, bro. That's how I fucking get right, bro. You know, I might not be the best, but I swear to God, you won't fucking tell me I'm not. I'm still the motherfucking best, even if I'm not the best. You feel what I'm saying right now? And that's an hour of my day. I'm still busting y'all ass. Hour of my day I put into this shit. And I get on here and I fucking get right, bro. And then I get up and I go out in the world and I be a police officer. I go out here and I write tickets and I save lives and, you know, I'm putting myself at risk every day, you know what I'm saying? And I'm entering that world, right? I'm exiting this fighting game world where I'm on here trying to punish people and just play games where it's not really a big deal, but it fucking is, right? And then I go out and I'm a police officer and I'm saving lives and I'm saving people from overdoses and bad shit. And then I leave that life and then I enter the gym life and I'm like, yo, I gotta fucking get this pump on right now. I gotta get pumped the fuck up. I gotta eat right. I gotta look good. I gotta keep that. I gotta stay me. You know what I'm saying? Get into the fucking gym and I'm a gym rat, bro. Just like that, I'm talking with all the dudes in the gym, bro. You looking good. I'm that guy. And then I leave that motherfucker right there, bro. And then I go and pick up the most beautiful fucking thing in my life, my daughter, bro. I pick her up and I swear to God, I fucking pick her up and I'm a father, bro. Like this. Like fucking this, bro. It's like clockwork. I switch into fucking dad mode. I love my daughter. I do anything I fucking can for my daughter, bro. You know what I'm saying? I turn into a fucking father, bro. I protect that girl. But she's the only fucking thing I got in my life, bro. And I give her back to her mom. And guess what? Guess what? I gotta be a fucking adult. I still gotta pay bills. I still gotta do this other shit, bro. This fucking annoying ass shit. I still gotta pay bills. Gotta take care of my fucking car and drop it off for who wants to fucking get a fucking oil change, bro? Who got time for that bullshit? I'm trying to get this bread. I'm trying to get this fucking money. Oh well, need the motherfucking oil change, because guess what? I ain't gonna get to work if I ain't got that shit, right? Doing daily fucking life shit, bro. I'm going food shopping. Bro, y'all don't even see that part of my life where I'm looking at chicken, trying to find the cheapest chicken in the pack, bro. Like, I'm just like everybody else, bro, but I'm just all these fucking people, bro. But then I go and then I enter a gym, like an open gym. I can go into an open gym tomorrow and be a fucking cheerleader. I can be a fucking tumbler, free runner, whatever. Y'all know about that shit. Y'all know I go outside and I still do my stupid fucking flips. People call them stupid. I guarantee you, if I need to do that, motherfucker, I'ma do it. You know what I'm saying? I got that shit on lock, bro. I will never fucking stop. Oh, not to mention, bro, whether y'all fuck with my music or not, I will record a whole mixtape, bro. I'll record a whole fucking mixtape. I will become a music artist. I will write music. I will become a fucking poet. I will become a fucking poet and put music together, bro. You know what I'm saying? I will produce music myself. It might not be the best shit in the world, but I will become a fucking musical genius in that moment in time, right? And then I just get up and I do all this shit again, bro. Every fucking day. So when y'all see me playing these fighting games, bro, this is about it. This is about it, bro. Why limit myself? Why do any of you limit yourself, bro? Think about that shit for real. Why? Be just fucking whatever you want to do, bro. Just go do that shit. I was like, man, I haven't made music in like 2 years. Let me go make a fucking mixtape, bro. Whether people want to hear it or not, it ain't about them. I did that shit. I fucking told myself I'm about to do it, and I fucking did it, bro. Listen to it or not, like it or not, bro. You know what I'm saying? And then I get on fucking TikTok, right? I got 1 million fucking people on TikTok. Y'all wouldn't believe this shit. I got motherfuckers on TikTok like trying to like fly me out and like buy me homes and shit. It's like crazy kind of, but I can become a fucking social media influencer. You can fucking be anything you want to be, bro. Not to mention, bro, I can fucking go to a tournament tomorrow. I can go to a tournament tomorrow and commentate a Dura Live event and still be one of the fucking best at it. Haven't even got on a mic and commentated in years, and I will still be one of the fucking best, bro. Don't get it twisted. All right? I will still be one of the fucking best, bro. One of the most fucking knowledgeable. Haven't even touched the game. I will still be that guy, bro. That's why I got the job. So what I'm trying to tell you guys is if y'all want to fucking do something, bro, just do that shit. I mean that shit every fucking sense of the word, bro. Just do it. Just fucking do it.